Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Seaweed egg drop soup is a quick and nutritious soup. If you like the taste of seafood, you will love this soup. Let's get started. Look at the ingredients. Dried seaweed 5 grams, 2 eggs. Dried small shrimps 3 grams. 1 cilantro chopped, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. Beat the eggs thoroughly with chopsticks until the egg white and yolk are fully mixed. Pour 500 ml of water into the pot. Add dried small shrimps and seaweed. Bring to a boil, boiling for 1 minute. Pour in the egg liquid evenly. When it boils again, turn off the heat. Then add salt and sesame oil. Top with cilantro chopped. Stir with chopsticks. Transfer to a bowl. Seaweed egg drop soup is ready. If you like today's recipe, give a try and subscribe for more Chinese cooking videos. Thank you for watching and see you next time.